Hello dear kids. So today we will do letter F craft. Capital F and a small f. So for this craft we will need 2 white sheets. You can use any color sheets. I have taken A4 size white color sheet. Okay. And we will also need 1 orange colored standing line stripe. Then 2 slipping line stripes and 2 triangles like this. Both are in orange color, and 1 leaf like cutout and 1 white cutout smaller than this cutout. 1 cutout like this in white color, 2 white balls and 1 black triangle like this. So let's start this craft, and we will also need glue, scissor and 1 black marker or sketch pen. So as we are making uppercase F, we will paste standing line first because capital F has 1 standing line, and apply glue in it. And after applying glue, you will paste it here. Okay, you have to leave some space this side. Now we will paste 2 slipping lines. So our letter F is ready, but we are making a vocabulary related to it. So we will paste these triangle shaped cutouts, a color cutout of triangle shape, and paste it here like this. Now paste leaf like cutout like this, and the same white cutout here. So kids, this is a fox, and F for fox hota hai. So this is F for fox. What is left? It's eyes. So we are making eyes with black marker. You can use black crayons or black sketch pen also. So I am making its eyeballs with it. See, our fox is ready, and fox is orange in color. It is a wild animal and it is uppercase F. F says fur, fox. Now get ready for your lowercase f craft work. For this we will need again a white sheet and 1 cutout like this of green color, 1 flower cutout in pink color, 2 leaf like cutout in green color, and 1 small circle in yellow color. See, now get ready for your lowercase f craft. So this is our lowercase f. Not really, we will finish it with a vocabulary. Okay, so first apply the glue, and your mom will not help you for this. You have to apply the glue by your own. Okay, so you have to paste it just at the center of your page. Okay, now we will paste the flower. You can make the flower according to you also. Any type of shape you can follow. So you have to paste it here, and take these leaf cutouts and you have to paste it here. So we have 2 leaf cutouts, and we will paste it like this. So you know kids, letter small f or lowercase f has a slipping line. So we have made the slipping lines with the help of leaves. Okay, and we will paste this small yellow circle here like this. So you know F for flower. flower is the vocabulary of letter F. So this is F for flower, and this is lowercase f. We have made flower on lowercase f. Now I am doing some decorations on it. So I have made the outlines of these leaves and flowers. You can decorate your letter F with sparkles also, stickers also you can paste. You can make this more attractive. Okay, so today we have learned about letter F. This is uppercase F and this is lowercase f. This is F for fox and this is F for flower. Okay,